Welcome to Carl's Comic Cards and Collectibles. What's going on, guys? Welcome to a Super Sunday edition of the Red Parallel, the blaster boxes. I was able to get some of the Target exclusive blaster boxes. We already seen some of the yellow parallel ones that they had, and the Mega Box came with the purple parallel. Still haven't been able to get some of them blue parallel Walmart exclusives, but I did get the red ones. And still need a couple of cards in that base set, and some of those inserts I still haven't seen. Some of the Last Son of Krypton and the Powered by the Sun insert I have not seen. Was lucky enough to get the Truth, Justice, and a Better Tomorrow out of one of the mega boxes, and I got an Illuminator insert out of that yellow parallel exclusive. But let's see what we can get in this red blaster box here. Go ahead and just open up this other box. We got two boxes to this. I was only able to get one box of the yellow. It sold out pretty quick, so we're gonna get two boxes going of this red stuff here. See how these parallels look, and maybe we can get Powered by the Sun insert. Who knows? Let's see what happens. We got a red pack art on this one. A little bit of the same. We've got classic cover inserts and your Revenge Squad insert. And we got Solaris here. We got Titano. And here's that red parallel. That looks pretty cool. Toy Man on that red parallel, and we have a Dark Side Revenge Squad insert. Very awesome. Very awesome. Cyborg Superman. Back to Solaris. Okay, that was pretty cool. The red parallels look pretty cool. This next pack here. I got the Brainiac Queen, Steppenwolf on that red parallel. Hey, we got another Revenge Squad Live Wire. That looks pretty awesome. And we got Jimmy Olsen and Clark Kent. And back to the Brainiac Queen. All right, next pack here. So yeah, not much different with these ones. Just had to check out that red parallel and hope I can finish off this base set. I still need the 2 cards short, 2 cards shy here. Strange Visitor on that red parallel. And then we have our classic cover here. 1959, that's a pretty classic cover. Superboy Prime and Supergirl. Okay, next pack. So I'm not sure what Upper Deck has planned other than that Batman medal, but these Superman cards were a pretty cool release. We got Steel on the red parallel. And we have our classic cover. And oh man, looks like we got another Illuminator here. Classic cover, 1986. And then we also have, it's numbered, a red Illuminator. Steel to 99, 70 of 99 Illuminator. Wow, okay. We have Cyborg Superman and Eve. We're going to go ahead and throw that Steel out there. That's pretty sweet. It's pretty cool. Illuminator. Okay. And it's numbered. My other Illuminator card I got isn't numbered. So there's that. We got our first numbered card of one of these 2 boxes here. Let's see how many numbered cards we can get out of 2 boxes. We got Supergirl, Imperex, we have Lord Zod, and our classic cover. Let's see what year it is. 2001. That's pretty classic. Superboy Prime. All right. Okay, next pack here. We got our numbered to 1938 crypto hanging out back there. We got Live Wire here. We got Dr. Farm and Mr. Graft on that red parallel. Here we have a classic cover in a 2006. And we have Maxima and Granny Goodness. All right. Next pack here. Okay, we got Brainiac Queen. We got Conduit. Another classic cover insert. 2004. Jay Nakamura. And Superwoman. All right. Been seeing a lot of Brainiac Queens here between these 2 boxes. Pretty sure I don't need any more Brainiac Queen. Let's see here. We got Maggie, Mercy Graves, Lord Mercy, Lobo, and we got Metallo on a Revenge Squad insert. That's awesome. Supergirl and Maxima. All right. You know, out of the purple, the yellow, and the red I've seen so far, I think I'm going to have to go with the red one. Still haven't seen the blue one yet, but I'm sure... I don't know. The blue one seems like that's the color of the normal base cards, not the, purple or the... just this one. That one looks kind of blue, right? I don't know. Solaris. Oh, Superman with the classic image from, I'm guessing, 1938, man. How about that? And we got a classic cover, 1985. And our Granny Goodness. And King Shark. All right. We're about halfway through here. About halfway through these 2 blaster boxes on the red parallel Superman Fleer Brilliance. Okay, we have Eve, Tessmacher, Manchester Black on the red parallel. We have our classic cover here and our red numbered to 1938, but this comic is 1939. And our numbered card here is a Cyborg Superman. That's awesome. And it's 1294 of 1938. I'll be dang. Well, let's just go ahead and put that out there. Uh-oh. Oh, don't mess it up now. Don't mess it up. Okay, we have Metallo. All right. Well, that's 2 numbered cards out of the 2 red parallel blaster boxes here. Let's see what else we can get here. Jor-El and Lara. We have Brainiac on the red parallel. And we have Brainiac on the Revenge Squad insert. That's pretty cool. Superwoman and Metallo. Well, all right. Okay, we got 5 packs left here. We got 5 packs left. Oh, wow, this pack seems like it was already open. What's going on here? Hopefully they put something good in here. Let's see here. We got Supergirl. We got Bloodsport on the red parallel. Lex Luthor on the Revenge Squad insert. And we have a Doomsday and Brainiac 13. All right. Let's see. There we go. Next, we have Strange Visitor. We have Rogol Czar, a classic cover, 2000, and our red heat wave numbered to 1938. 518 of 1938 of Granny Goodness coming in on the red heat wave. And we have a Doomsday and back to the Strange Visitor. So that's 3 numbered cards out of 2 blasters. All right. Next up, we have Imperex, Lightning Lad, classic cover insert of 1942. That's a classic. And we have Parademons and good old Jimmy Olsen. Taking a quick snapshot. All right, let's see what's in this second to last pack here. Second to last pack. I just want to say thanks for stopping by and checking out the video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Going to be having some more boxes here pretty soon. We got Mercy Graves. Lord Mercy, I said it right that time. Lori Lamaris on that red parallel. And we have our classic cover. Oh, Powered by the Sun insert. Oh, haven't seen one of those. That's awesome. 1996 classic cover and a Powered by the Sun insert of General Zod. That is bad right there. That's hella cool. All right. We are going to throw that out there. And then we only have 1 pack left. We want to see the Powered by the Sun General Zod. And we have a Clark Kent. Close out the pack on a Clark Kent. See if we can open up this last pack on a Clark Kent in the first card. Let's see what happens here. Last pack of the double blaster here. Double blaster. We got Dr. Farm and Mr. Graft. We got Hellgramite on the red parallel. And we got a classic cover of 1971. And our Brainiac 13. And to close it out, last card, Parademons. All right. Well, that was the last pack, last card. Let's go over the hits real quick. We got a few numbered cards out of the box. We got a couple of these Red Heat Visions numbered to 1938. Cyborg Superman, and we got a Granny Goodness over here. We also pulled one of these cool numbered Illuminator inserts that are numbered to 99. That's pretty awesome. Steel. And then we got our Powered by the Sun insert of General Zod, which I think is pretty cool. All right. Well, if you guys like this content, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And always, keep collecting.